Okay, so the shaded part has an area of 98 cm squared, right? So in order, before you find BC, you have to find the area of the bigger rectangle, right? In order to do that, you need to find out what is the area of these 4 quarter circles. Now, which 4 are we talking about? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. So 4 quarter circles obviously makes 1 cm. So how am I talking about? 1 circle. Okay, please do not. Okay, 1 circle. 4 quarter circles make 1 circle. So all you have to do is to find the area of circle, okay, which is pi 22/7 times r. What is r? Radius of 7, so it's times r, right? So you do a cross multiplication. 22 times 7. Okay, so you have 154 cm squared. Okay, so area of rectangle would be 154 plus the shaded area, which is 98. So you're going to get 252 cm squared. Okay, so area of rectangle is length and breadth, right? You know that one radius is 7 cm. You will know that one breadth would be 14 cm. So the length of the rectangle equals to 252 divided by 14, which will give you 18 cm. Okay, and because you have 2 radiuses here, 7, 7, right? Length of BC would be 18 minus 7 minus 7 to give you 4 cm. Okay, this is also a very common kind of PSLE question. Okay, plastic bricks measuring 6, 2, and 3.6 are put in a cubicle box. Okay, how many bricks touch only the base of the box? Now, the first thing, whenever you do such question, right, it is always important, right, that you need to draw the base like this. Because this is a cube, right? 36 by 36. Okay, so I'm gonna line the cubes like this. Sorry, the bricks like this. So this is 2 cm and this is 6 cm. Okay, so the first thing you want to find out is how many columns can I have? Right? If you know that the length of the cubes, the bricks is going to be 6 cm, okay? So the number of columns, right, would be 36 divided by 6 equals to 6 columns. If you know that the side here is 2, to find the number of rows, you take 36 divided by 2, you have 18 rows, which means the total number of bricks and the first that is on the base, right? The first layer, okay? In the first layer would be 18 times 6, 108 bricks. Okay, so this was the answer that all of you gave me, right? 108, because you were able to find 8 columns, you were able to find 18 rows, and then therefore you gave me 108 bricks. Okay, but the question is asking how many bricks touch only the base of the box, which means, right, I want to be removing the bricks that are aligned at this part of the box, because the bricks that are aligned at this part of the box, they do not just touch the base, they touch the base and they touch the sides. Okay, so the first thing I will want to do is to find out how many bricks are there over here, the part here. Okay, and you realize that if there are 6 columns, there are 6 bricks here. Okay, which means that if I have 6 bricks here, I'm likely to have another 6 over here. Okay, the next thing I want to find out is how many bricks do I have over here? So this is 18 minus 2 to give you 16. Okay, do you get it now? So if I have 16 on the left, I'm going to have another 16 over here as well. which means the final step is to take 108 minus 6 minus 6 minus 16 minus 16. Okay, this is very important. Now you need to understand why. Okay, you understand why again, right? Because I need to remove those at the sides. Okay? So you must be able to visualize. I need to exclude the bricks that touch the sides and the base. I only want those in the middle. And that is why your answer requires you to take 108 minus 6 minus 6 minus 16 minus 16, and you will get 64 bricks, which is your final answer.